We are on the train, just waiting for everyone to get boarded.
And where are we off to, Todd?
Day 8 on this adventure, and we are starting out with some good coffee in the morning. Hey, you like the cup? Woo.
Today we are heading southeast down the mountain from Park City to the town of Heber City, Utah. In Heber, we plan to ride the Heber Valley train. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.
All right, here we got Mark and Dolores enjoying the view.
Once we got down out of the mountains, we decided to get lunch in Heber before our train ride.
Dairy King, home of the train. It's kind of a fast food restaurant with sit-in and dine-in. So we've been here before, and it's just a really neat little stop. Chugga chugga choo choo. Check out the Harry Potter train exhibit. There is Hogwarts. And for the little tots, we got a neat table or layout here. And they have a little train set up here for the kids and adults to sit in. Dairy Queen has won many different awards from TripAdvisor. See all the awards from the state. Beautiful little flower garden here.
Hey, thanks for joining us at Retired and Traveling. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
We're at the station and waiting for the train to do a end of round and come back and get us so we can board. Kind of exciting. This is not the train that we're going to be riding on, but this is from the Heber Valley Railroad for the Columbia-Geneva Division. Heber Valley train coming into the station. We are on the train, just waiting for everyone to get boarded.
And where are we off to, Todd?
Hey,
where are we?
We're in Heber City, going up Heber Valley. Woohoo!
Here you go.
Our friends Mark and Dolores are with us on this trip.
Right of way and stuff. Every time we cross a road, we have the right of way. Cars have to stop for us. Well, the coordinators of the Olympics were worried that we would cause a lot of traffic and therefore cause Olympians to be late to their practices and stuff. So, we signed a contract that they drafted up saying that we would stop for cars during the 2002 Winter Olympics. Any wild guesses for how long this contract lasted?
5 minutes.
One day. Let me tell you why. Now, at the time, in order to stay safe, we had around because we were carting up like 400 or 500 people per train ride. In order to stay safe, we had 3 engines pushing and pulling us. And they were all steam engines. So it was a very wild sight. It was really, really cool. So tourists would see us stopped on the side of the road. And they'd go, wow, I need a picture with every one of those engines. And I'm not leaving till I do. So they would stop in the middle of the road, and they wouldn't leave until they got all the pictures that they wanted. It caused way more traffic than we could ever do. Quite frankly, it was a disaster. So we got rid of the contract and went back to normal.
The Heber Valley Railroad operates passenger excursion trains along a line between Heber City and Vivian Park, which is located in Provo Canyon. The railroad line is approximately 16 miles long. A typical round-trip ride on the train takes about 90 minutes. Entertainers are on board, but because of copyright laws, I cannot use most of their music. Wabash Cannonball, however, is in the public domain.
are at a turnaround point at Decker Bay.
That has been pulling us this whole time. It actually cannot push us back. So what is going to happen is it's going to disconnect, come on these tracks right next to our car right over here, connect all, or go all the way over there and connect to our train car. And so there are a couple of things with this. One, there are going to be engineers and conductors on this engine as it goes by. And they're a little bit petty. So please wave them hello as they're going by.
All right, on the way back, I switched sides with Dolores so she could have some sun and check out those windows over there. I mean, it is my second time on this train.
For fish.
The rail line was formerly part of the Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad that connected Heber City to Provo, Utah. Construction began in 1897 and was completed in 1899. The line was opened for tourist use in 1970. The Heber Valley Railroad carries over 110,000 passengers a year. The railroad operates year-round and features evening and special train rides. During the 2002 Winter Olympics, the railroad was part of the Olympic steam train, carrying spectators to the Soldier Hollow Olympic venues. The railroad's one operating steam engine is undergoing a 4-year overhaul and inspection. Trains have always had a special place within my soul. The whistle of the freight train as it comes through town at night has a special lonesome appeal to me as I lie in bed. The power of the engines, the rumble of the cars, the squeal from the wheels makes me feel that everything is moving all right as I count the cars moving past me at the rails intersections. I've played with toy trains, but nothing beats the rocking motion within the passenger car. Trains helped us settle the United States, and trains are what keeps this nation woven together.